this clip is absolutely amazing. So we have a plug. All of that black stuff is built up yucky stuff. I've just sprayed it with our SHYN Degreaser. I let it sit there for about a minute using my detailing brush. Because it's got really fine bristles, it's just getting into everything. You'll see. See how it just come off straight away. So the SHYN Degreaser melted through the grime, making it easy to lift. Now the brush is just penetrating all the yucky stuff off. But there's so many bits, you'll see. There's, like, apart from the plug itself is like discolored grey, black, whatever. But there's like there's just, you'll see, there's so many grooves of the plug. It's not funny. So I'm trying to get into the little bits, even that you wouldn't be able to fit with your fingers. Do you see all the stuff has come off? So don't try and clean it with I could have used a toothbrush. It just would have taken me longer. I'm all about making things as quick as possible. Yes.